Imagine being able to create a voice AI that can talk to people, answer questions, and act, all without writing a single line of code. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build a voice AI using Retell AI, step by step, perfect for beginners. Now let's get started. Here's a quick example. Now let's say, for example, I'm running a barbershop and a customer calls in and would like to book a haircut. This is how it would go using the voice agent that I created very quickly.
Hey, thanks for calling the Fade Room Barbershop. How can I help you today? Are you looking to book an appointment?
Yes, I would like to book a haircut.
Great, a haircut, got it. What day and time were you hoping to come in?
I was thinking about Friday, next week, about 11 o'clock. Would that be okay?
Let me check the calendar for next Friday around 11 a.m. Okay, looks like we have an 11 a.m. and an 11:30 a.m. slot open. Which one would you like to book? And could I get your name for the appointment?
So I would like the 11:30 a.m. slot, and my name is Jason.
Perfect, Jason. You're all set for a haircut next Friday at 11:30 a.m. You'll get a confirmation message soon. Awesome. Your appointment's all set. Thanks for calling the Fade Room. Have a great day.
Just like that, the customer has talked to your sales rep or your voice receptionist, and the appointment will be booked and added to your calendar. I'll be showing you how to set this up very easily. Now, to get started, the first thing you'll need to do is tap on the link in the description, and from there you'll be redirected to this page. Full disclosure, the link is an affiliate link which will help to support this channel if you were to go through and make a purchase. But you can get started for completely free with Retell AI, as they give you $10 to start off. Test it out for yourself. So you're going to tap on that link and you'll be redirected to this page. From here you'll be able to sign up. Once you have tapped on sign up, you'll be able to sign up using your email address, and you also need to add in a phone number. After doing that and entering the verification code that you'll receive on your device, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. For example, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you will see phone numbers deploy, and this is where you will be able to add or purchase the phone number that you would like to connect the AI to. So you can do that right here. You'll also be able to monitor the call history and chat history. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to see how many dollars or how many chances you have remaining. So I said that they gave you $10. You can see that I've been testing it out myself. Now, to get started, we're going to select agents. Then you're going to tap on create an agent. And you have two options. You can either choose voice agent or chat agent. For this example, we're going to select voice agent. After you have selected voice agent, you can see different options. For example, let's say you are doing real estate and you would like to create one for real estate lead qualification, or you're in an industry that is similar to this, you could select this template. If it is a case that, for example, patient screening or whichever one of these templates would be related to the business that you're in, you can select one of these templates. But for this example, we're going to start from blank, and we're going to tap on start from blank. Then we're going to tap on create. After you have selected create, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to customize the options, and we're going to be using ChatGPT for assistance. Now, the first thing I want you to do once on this dashboard is pay attention again to the left-hand menu options. As you can see, different options right here. For example, if it is a case that you would like the voice AI to transfer to a human, you can do that. You can set up call transfer options. You can also set up different logics and SMS and so on. And you can choose when the call will end. Now, I want you to head over to ChatGPT. And from there, you can see a quick prompt that I created. I want you to create a prompt for an AI voice agent for my dental business by the name of Jason Stout, located in Montego Bay at 56D Street. Our opening hours are 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. I specialize in extraction and braces. So that's basically how you'll give ChatGPT the prompt. And you can see the prompt that it created right here. Now, all you'll need to do is simply copy and paste this prompt. So let me do that real quick. So I've copied it. What I want you to do next, right where you see welcome node right here, you're going to tap right there. And you have two options. You could either put in a static sentence that you would like the AI to ask, or you can select prompt. For this example, I want you to select prompt, as we're going to simply paste in the prompt that we have gotten from ChatGPT. So you're going to paste it in right there. After you have added the prompt, the next thing you can do is you can choose whether you would like to collect, for example, what is the information you'd like to collect. So what I wanted to collect is the user's name and the date they would like to book, the service they would like to book, and you can also edit this option or you can delete it. After you have done that, there are different things that you can choose from, but before doing that, what I want you to do is go over to the right hand menu option. Now after you have entered that information, you want to go over to the right hand menu option and you're going to paste in the prompt right here. And by the way, if you don't see this option, what I would recommend you do is simply tap on the arrow in the top left hand corner to go back, and then you'll simply select the chat again and you'll see it pop up. So you can add it in right here. Then from there you can also choose the language, so you can see different languages, or you can choose multilingual. After doing that, you can also choose the AI voice that you want, and you can see that there are different voices you can choose from 11 Labs, and 11 Labs have some of the best AI voices around. You can also choose to add a custom voice if you want. You can change the gender, you can change the accent, so there are numerous options you can choose from. So let me test out one of them.
Good day. I'm Amy, your digital assistant, ready to navigate through challenges and streamline your day.
Hello there, I'm Anthony, your helpful guide. How can I make things easier and more convenient for you?
Hi, I'm your AI companion, Dorothy, programmed to provide solutions and guidance whenever you need.
So you can see that it sounds very realistic.
I'm Anna, your wilderness-inspired AI guide, aiming to
So
navigate
whichever
and
one of
protect
them
your
best
digital
suits you,
environment
you
with
can
precision.
select it right there. So let's say for example,
Hello, I'm Chloe, here to lend a hand with a smile. How can I make
let's say
things
for
easier for you
example I
today?
were to select this one. After you have done that, you can also tap on the settings cog right here, and from there you can also edit the voice speed, voice temperature, and also you can edit the voice volume. So you have different options, and this is a quick overview. You can go more in depth and edit it even further. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on save. Now that it has been saved, if you were to test it out, so let's say I were to test it right here, tap on test.
Hi there. Thanks for calling Jason's Tooth, your trusted dental care provider in Montego Bay at 56 East Street. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. How can I help you today?
Yes, I would like to book a visit. I want to pull a teeth.
Great, I can help you with that. Could you please give me your full name, your phone number, and let me know what date and time you'd like to come in for your tooth extraction?
Sure, I would like to come in Monday. My full name is Jason Kess. My phone number is 866666654.
Thanks, Jason. So just to confirm, you'd like to come in on Monday for a tooth extraction, right? I've got your phone number as 866-666-654. I'll
Okay.
send your details to Dr. Jason, and you'll get a confirmation text or call soon to finalize your appointment. Is there a specific time on Monday that works best for you?
I was thinking about 11 a.m.
Awesome, Jason. I've got you down for a tooth extraction on Monday at 11 a.m. Your info will be sent to Dr. Jason, and you'll get a confirmation text or call soon to lock in your appointment. Thanks for choosing Jason's Tooth. If you have any other questions, just let us know. Have a great day.
Just like that, you have set it up. Now, as I was saying earlier, you can go even further with this. So for example's sake, if you would like to add different features, for example, you can go over to the left-hand menu option. You could choose to set up call transfer, or you can simply tap on functions right here. After selecting functions, you can select add, and from there you could add in your calendar. For example, you can add in your calendar, or you could set up custom functions by tapping on custom functions right there. So that's how you'll be able to add it to a booking calendar. For example, you can select book on calendar, and from there you could add it. You can enter in your cal.com API key. If it is a case that you would like me to go even further in depth and show you how to do this, I can do that also if you want. And if it is a case you would like to check it out for yourself, you can do that. That is completely free. You can go ahead and play around with it. Now, once you have set this up, what you'll do next is tap on publish. After selecting publish, from there you will be able to deploy it to a phone number. So that is where you will be able to add the phone number, what I was showing you earlier. And from there you will be able to add it and your AI voice agent will be active. If it is a case that you would like me to go more in depth into other features, I can do that, as this was just a quick overview showing you the potential of what this platform has. Now, if you would like to try it for yourself, you can get started for free. As I said earlier, they will be giving you $10 free credit, as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you would like to go onto their paid plan, you can see the different pricing options and you can see the estimated cost. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I thank you for watching.